What's up, scrappers? Going to do a teardown in this video of a Sony VCR player. So determine the value, see what it's worth, if it's worth picking up. This one's past us any good days, it's full of dust. So yeah, see what it's worth. So right, done teardown on the VCR player, and we've got low grade boards, a load of steel, plugs, and a few cables, one which is burnt out. So right, low grade boards, it's already on there, it's handy. So at 15 pence a kilo, it's worth 15 pence. And the steel, oh, 10p a kilo is worth 32p. Then a plug, 15p a kilo is worth 1 whole penny. And then we've got cables at £1.20 a kilo. So it stays on there. Is worth, get it all on there, oh come on, is worth 9 pence. So all in, what are we at? So in the UK you'll get 56 pence for doing that, for tearing down the VCR player. America you'll get 68 cents, Canada you'll get 91 cents, and in Australia you'll get 90 cents. So need a few of these to make any money, but they soon build up. Well, VCR players actually don't, because there's not many of them about anymore. But this one didn't work. If it worked, I would have resold it. So yeah, keep scrapping, guys.